Hi guys, I just want to make a quick video about the new converter I bought from Hasu. So I got the Non ADB Next keyboard right here. So that's just got a little adapter here made by Hasu, and it works awesome. I'll show you how it works. Right, I got it connected. So you might need like probably not a micro USB to USB cable. Just connect it to my computer and test it out. Okay, just recognize. Yeah, awesome. I think the current setup is this command button here, actually not really command button. It could be either control or shift or something. But this is actually a command button. And I really like the feel of the keyboard, it's really good. Although the only thing I hate about this keyboard is like, I don't know, it's a cheap keycap or something, but it sort of get oily every time you type it up. So you see this is already get oily already. Very strange, it's get oily very quickly. Even though my hand is actually seems to be there's no oil in it. But I think that's a common issue with all the Next keyboard. Oh, it's got a weird, funny. But yeah, great keyboard. And the adapter is actually working awesome out of the box. Yeah, thank you Hasu for this.